this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the double finger scroll is not working. So if you're trying to use your two fingers to scroll on your laptop and it's not working, then to go and fix this, first open up your start menu, go and search for the word settings and click on this window. In the left hand side, select accessibility and then select mouse pointer and touch. Then scroll down to the bottom and click on touchpad. Make sure the touchpad is turned on and enabled. You can then click on this drop down arrow and make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected is checked. You can then scroll down to scroll and zoom and click on the drop down. Make sure drag two fingers to scroll is turned on and enabled, and make sure pinch to zoom is also turned on. Now once you've done all of that, you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, then scroll back up to the top and we're just going to uncheck this option here and click on the reset button next to reset touchpad settings. We're then going to open up the start menu, go and search for control panel and click on this window. In the top right hand side, make sure view by is set to category and then click on hardware and sound. Now click on mouse and then select pointers. Click on the drop down arrow next to scheme and go and select any of these options from the list. You can then press apply and OK. You'll then need to go and restart your computer and that will have fixed the double finger scroll issue.